Lifestyle change does not cure obesity. Mediterranean diet thought to reduce stroke risk. AP. Disneyland emailed California health officials to downplay number of cases of measles rising in Colorado hits highest number of flu cases. Number of cases of measles. AP. Disneyland Mediterranean diet thought to reduce stroke. If you're a fan of Mediterranean food, a recent study led by Aisha Shirzai, MD, a stroke neurologist from New York City, found out that you're in luck. The results show that a diet made up from vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, and dairy products is the cause of lowering the risk of having ischemic stroke with up to 18%. Physical activity, cardiovascular risk factors and smoking habits were all taken into consideration when calculating the original research. The California Teachers Study, aimed at examining dietary patterns in relation to cancer risk. Up to 134,000 mostly white female teachers, aged around 52, from across the